Hello guys, in today's video we're going to be driving the 2023 Lincoln Nautilus Black Label. We are going to take it for a drive, but let's take a walk around this vehicle. As you can see, it is push start there. Nice interior. Take a look on the outside. As you guys can tell, it is in pristine white. It's just the exterior. Nice, beautiful design on the 2023 Nautilus. I am making this video because the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus is soon to be releasing as well. Let's turn the light switches on here. Take a look at your fog lamps. It should be on. Look at that nice luxury front end of this Nautilus. Pop the hood. Up under the hood we have a 2.7 V6 engine. Has about 335 horsepower and about 380 feet-pounds of torque. Vehicle does get about 19 city and about 25 highway. It's pretty good, pretty nice. Love that big chrome grille in the front. Do have your LED headlamps there, turn signals there, and then fog lamps down there at the bottom. Big air intake there at the bottom, which is very functional. We have 21-inch aluminum factory wheels, Continental 265/40 rim size 21s, and it does give it the black label appearance, which is the black spoke wheels. Do have black label Nautilus there, and that's where the name comes from, black label. I don't know if you guys can see the nice paint job on here. It's really nice. Do have color match door handles, big chrome side skirts there, chrome roof rails as well, nice exhaust tips. Black label Lincoln badge there at the bottom, chrome on top, and then their power lift gate, factory backup cameras here. And take a look at this back storage room. We do have a lot of storage room here in the back, and then we do have a factory spare tire and jack funnel there as well. Nice amount of room, nice amount. Let's fold the lefts. There we go. Left side is folded down, and there's a ton of amount of room here in the back. Let's close this power lift gate. There we go. There is no gas caps on any of the Lincolns, which I have not found yet. There we go. Still in a great amount of room, so if you're planning to use the Nautilus to travel, you will have a lot of room. And this interior is called Flight Theme. Really only seen it on the Nautilus. And then right up there we have a panoramic roof, power windows. Let's take a look at the back space. I do have a good amount of backspace back here. I'm about 6 feet tall. My seat is actually pushed a little bit further back. As you can tell here, I'd have a little bit more room. Do have heated seats for back passenger and back driver. And then 2 USB ports and then a cigarette port there. Very functional. I love that this covers the ports there. That way if anything weighs, it doesn't go right in it. Pull this out and take a look. Isn't that fancy? Cup holders, they're adjustable, which means if the cup's bigger, sit it in, have a lot more space. Pretty nice armrest as well. Close it up, just use it. It's pretty nice. You could put something there if you want to tie it down as well. Great interior. Wow. That's an amazing interior. I think the flight theme is just for Lincoln, which, as you guys know, they use the real leather in the vehicles, and I love the way they wrapped it in the steering wheel as well. Let's take a look. The front. Power seat with different functional changes there. Power windows there. Memory seats on the side. Great sound system. Upgraded sound system. All your light toggles. Lift gate in the back. This vehicle does have ambient lighting. Let's take a look at. There we go. Coin holders if you want to put any coins. Another charging port. Good amount of storage room in there. Ambient lighting around in the cup holders. Wireless charging. Heated and ventilated seats for driver and passenger. Kind of wish they would have did the ventilated for the back row as well, but it's okay. RE controls for AC and heat. Nice infotainment system. On the new Nautilus is going to be actually a little bit wider. It's pretty cool. Great vehicle. All right, so let's take it on the road and let's check out some of these safety features, because we have our cruise control here, volume up here, got our lane keeping system. Let's turn that on. Good amount of features in here. Sirius XM, premium sound. Can actually turn on, there we go, and get a massage while I'm driving, which feels amazing. Let's put this back on Apple CarPlay and let's take this for a spin. Actually, do gotta go to command box. First, do have a 360 camera, parking sensors all the way around the vehicle as well. Piano keys here down at the bottom. Let's see how this thing drives. Can already tell you off the, I am having a nice massage while I'm driving. And this is a 2.7 twin turbo. Literally doesn't even feel like I'm driving an SUV. Feels like it's like a crossover. Doesn't feel too big, doesn't feel too small. Just that perfect amount of space. The gas pedal's very light. Don't have to really push it down to get up to speeds. Let's try out the braking. Braking's really good. Do have blind spot detection on my side mirrors. About to hop on the interstate, see how that works. See how this 8-speed transmission responds. And take it for a drive. The Apple CarPlay is wireless. As you guys can see, I don't have any cables hooked up. It's one thing that I love about the Black Label. To have the option to have wireless CarPlay. See how this turbo picks up, and the pickup in it is fantastic. Lane keeping system vibrating the steering wheel to let me know, hey, you're going over that lane. Let's hop on the interstate. Corners, that's when you feel that you're driving an SUV. I mean, what SUV is gonna feel like a car around corners? But other than that, it's like you never really noticed that you're driving an SUV. There goes that lane keeping system, pulling me back in. Let's merge onto this highway. Pickup is beyond amazing. Let's turn on this lane keeping system here. Gonna let that car in. So we're gonna press on. Cruise control is set. I could set how many car lengths I want to stay from that car in front of me. I'm gonna do one car length, and then I'm gonna speed it up. gonna put my speed up to 70, and I'm gonna take my foot off the brake and let the car actually slow down and do the driving itself. If you guys pay attention to the miles per hour, you just see that it's slowing down, just so that I can maintain that distance from that car that's in front of me. And in my side mirrors, you can see that my blind spot is blinking to let me know, hey, there's someone in my blind spot. And it's actually speeding up itself. I don't know if you guys can see that vibration in the steering wheel though. And there it goes, slowing down. I'm not braking at all. The vehicle's actually braking for me. I would say this would work amazing if you guys are planning a long trip. Like right now, I'm in PA. I do travel a lot down to Florida, and I would love this feature because I hate to say it, but you could literally not have to be paying attention to driving, which if something happens really quick and you have to brake, the vehicle's there to help you, you know. I think that is a great feature to help maintain collisions, any accidents, you know. It's an amazing feature. Gonna let my hands off the steering wheel so that you guys can see that vibration. Did you see it when it's going over? Other than that, ride's really good. Very comfortable. Let's put some audio on. We could listen to some music. Oh, see? Just how fast that could happen. On, let's turn it up. I think if you look at any other thing in this class, you will know that the Nautilus Black Label is one of a kind. Let's turn this up to halfway. The twin turbo that is in this Nautilus is very, very responsive. So we're gonna see what a 0 to 60 would do. Actually, I'm gonna wait till I pass. Zero to 60 test. We're in sport mode. 0 to 60 test. And that was pretty fast. And we'll do a downhill test as well. See that fast 0 to 60. And now we're just gonna put it in drive. let everything do its own, and then go. To say that this is not a great vehicle, I could use this as an everyday daily driver. With the black label, you also do get very good service from your local dealer. But other than that, it's a great vehicle, drives well, handles great. Then you also have a view for your camera room is there. Let's take a look. Step out, locking it, remote start, and click twice to turn it off. Click the lock, and that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.